The hell is that? Right there. Did you think this was a game? And good morning, we are back. We finished the line work up yesterday, and today is the fun part. We're gonna start shading. I know I said I was gonna not make a video until Tuesday, but the grandma came over today and took the children. So it gave me and the wife a little bit of time to ignore each other. I'm just kidding. She's over there, she's sitting on the couch, she's having fun. Today's video, we're just trying to finish up this panel. And then we are moving on to the next one. I'll probably skip around this video, just kind of show you what I'm basically doing, and then I'll put another box up top. And we decided we are gonna go with Cowboy Bebop up top, and that's gonna be crazy because I haven't drawn Cowboy Bebop in I can't even remember how many years it's been. But today we're focusing on the Luffmaster, and I know what background I'm gonna do too. I'm gonna put a bunch of little meat. You know, that'd be funny because my name is Luffmeat. Ha ha ha! Jokes, baby, jokes. Oh, also, channel still growing. 63 subs, that's cool. I didn't really do anything yesterday, and people just keep watching the videos, so that's cool. So I think the algorithm's paying off a little bit, maybe just because I'm posting every day, or you guys just like watching me draw, which either way, I'm happy. So right now I'm using a 005, and we're gonna put these little shadows in, but they're just cross hatching. With the hair, I'm gonna use a brush, and I'm not set if I'm gonna do these highlight shades first or if I'm gonna keep them, but we're gonna figure that out in a little bit. Let's just get all this dark stuff out of the way. Maybe a little bit in the ears. We're just gonna do classic manga style straight in this one. It's not gonna be all crazy like that guy over there. We're gonna keep this one a little bit more original because it is an older manga. 1997 is when they started making One Piece, and they're still going today. That is insane, if you ask me. That's a little much, but I still watch it. It's kind of an addiction now. It's getting kind of bad. Not too bad though, because I haven't watched it in a few days. I just don't have the time. Well, I have the time, I just don't have the energy. Being that dedicated to something takes a lot of energy. Let's see, let's bust out a bigger one. No. I'm gonna go with 3 in here. We're gonna cross hatch this one out too. Actually, let's just line that out a little bit thicker in here. Don't know if I want to black that out or not yet. That's kind of like a trial run. Black it out. Look, just from doing all that, look how much different it looks. Ain't that nuts? I'm gonna go down here. Maybe just add like a little, like a chingle dinger right there. So when I'm drawing and I shade these things, I don't really like to use a lot of references, because if you look in the book itself, they don't have like nothing. There's like no shading in these. So I like adding my own style to it, you know? Like they got like the under the neck and straight lines across the face. It's this classic kind of stuff, except for in the beginning. They actually put actual shades and shadows in there. Oh, that's what I want to do. Yeah, we're gonna work on that hat real quick. You know me, I like jumping around. But besides that, how's everybody's day going? I'm glad you stick around and you watch. It's fun. I don't know if you guys know how hard it is to keep a conversation going when you're drawing. Well, technically, I'm not talking to myself anymore because people watch these things. So that's kind of cool. Let's see here. Let's do that. Get a couple of these, and I might change the angle up here in a second, just so we can get a little bit more in depth when I'm hatching this hat. I wanted to make it look like haggard and all rusty, and there is a cat in my video now. He just jumped up on the table. Yep, now I have to change the angle. Okay, now that problem's out of the way, get back to doing what we're doing here. I do like drawing the older style manga just because it's not so wild, you know, very more minimalistic, and the results are still the same. It still comes out pretty tight. Back to this hat though. Darken there. Kind of wanted to get a brim in here. I don't know if I want to shade that out yet or not, fill it in. In my original design, I had his hair coming out right here, but I took that away because it looked kind of goofy. I didn't really like it, and since I'm giving this away to one of you guys, I really don't want to mess it up, you know? That's like, I don't want to start all over again. My camera keeps moving because my floor in my house sucks, because usually I film these at the shop, but we're on a janky tile, or not even tile, like linoleum hardwood floor or something. And long story, the house actually that I'm living in burnt down on my wedding day, and we had to rebuild it. And we didn't really have a lot of money. We had the insurance money from when it burnt down, and it still didn't pay for everything, so we had to do a lot of stuff ourselves. And guess what? I'm not a carpenter, all right? I'm an artist, so some of the stuff is a little jank. But that's okay. At least we got a house to live in. These come together tight, yo. A little darker in there. I was thinking about adding little things in the teeth, but I'm not really set on it yet. But I think this is gonna be good enough right now. You know what? No, we're gonna do this. We are going to, instead of filling this in red, because it's all gonna be black and white, we're just gonna stripe this out, because that's the red part in his hat. And what am I using right now? I think I'm using a 5. Yeah, 005 right now, just for little details. We already did all the hard, big outline on the outside. And then we'll cross hatch this right here. Move this a little bit. And that'll give it a darker effect. It's little whips. Little whips. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, like that. All right, I'm gonna start with the hair real quick. Let me find a brush. Not one, I need a brush. All right, now here comes the delicate part. And this is where I didn't know really what I wanted to do. I do want to leave like a shine gap somewhere in the hair. Take a little pause. I'll figure it out, and then I will start recording again. Give me one moment. All right, I'm liking the shine. We are going to keep the shine, sticking with the shine. Yeah, this one was way easier, man. Oh my gosh. What? This one's only going to be, what, 2-3 videos? The other one was like, what, 4 to finish it, and I couldn't even finish the whole thing on camera. God, it took so long. Sitting there going. And the wife, she's convinced me I'm gonna get an iPhone. I got a Google right now. The cameras are so much better on those. Instead of hunking around this giant iPad filming, you just do it on the little iPhone instead. The movie maker thing works pretty well though, you know, little transitions and stuff. I'm not gonna be all extravagant, you know, and do like crazy, like scene jumps and stuff yet, because I am an old man at heart and I do not know how to do that. I'm gonna have to YouTube it or something. It's coming together good. I know I'm gonna need some new markers after this video, or not this video, after this panel. Not the panel, what am I talking about? The poster, I'm gonna need new markers after the poster, or maybe even before the poster. There's gonna be a lot of stuff on this poster, because after we do all this stuff, we're gonna like put background work everywhere, and God, these things take a long time. But I'm glad you guys are sticking around for the journey. I kind of like the Bob Ross feel I got, you know, the soft lo-fi in the background. You could hear the scratches from the pen on the paper. Soothing. Fall asleep to it. I don't care. Just give me the hours. Give me those watch hours, baby. That's what I need. And I just jacked that up. See that? Now I gotta go in there. Gotta be careful with these pens. It's like skin. Fix the problem before the client sees it. But I'm the client, so... Huh? The secrets, yeah. The tattoo artist secrets. Yeah, eventually I'm gonna do a how-to tattoo tutorial or something. Next week it's all lined up. I am booked out next week. Holy crap, I'm booked out next week. But I'm still gonna make videos every day. Can't lose that algorithm. YouTube hates that. If you make a video, and then you stop making videos and start making videos again, gone. All that progress, and then you gotta work at it right back, you know, all again. Wish my brother was here so he can make a thumbnail for me, because I'm trash at that. So if you see a trash thumbnail, you could thank me. Good artist, just horrible thumbnail maker. Let's see here. Speaking of that, did you just walk in? No, that's my wife. All right. Yeah, he's gonna stop by and pick up an energy drink like every day. Okay, let's see. So I'm gonna stop doing so many shorts. Those things are hit and miss, and I am kind of over it, to be honest with you. I think that looks pretty good for the day. I think that's what we're gonna call it for this episode of Drawing with Me. Let's check it out. Not bad, not bad. We're moving. We still got all that up there, but doing pretty good. I'm sketching those little meats, and then in the next video we will do that, and we'll finish that panel, and then we'll start with the next one. All right, as always, when you're drawing, be an ice skater, not a hockey player. I'll see you in the next video.